Hi all, welcome to Tech Forum. In this video, let us see the issue on using bcrypt module with the latest node version and the alternative option to encrypt and decrypt the data with crypto module. I was trying to encrypt and decrypt the user password with the bcrypt module in one of my node.js application. So let me show the code. This is what this is my code. I am adding this bcrypt module and also MongoDB. So because I am storing this password into MongoDB, so that I will be able to validate the user while he is logging in. So here just I am using this bcrypt dot hash sync. Then what is the password? Then the salt sync. Then also again I am comparing this with the actual password whenever user trying to log in. So if both are same, then I'm considering the user the login is successful and creating the user session. But while I was trying this execute this particular code, I was getting this error. Let me show that maybe. Yeah, so I am trying to start the server. Okay, meanwhile I'm like using the latest node version. Maybe let me show you the version. I'm using, yeah, the 12 point, not the latest, but 12.13.1. So I was getting this error, this specific error. It say the cannot find module bcrypt. So yeah, the final error is the module not found error. Module not found error. So the reason for this error is the bcrypt module is not compatible with the latest node version. So it may take some time to release the compatible version to the latest node version, but for now the current or the latest versions are not supported, like not compatible with this bcrypt. So one of the option to overcome this problem is downgrading the node version from the latest version, whatever my version is 12 point to 11.15.0 version. So that in that version the bcrypt module is compatible, so you will not see this error. So you can execute the below commands, maybe the following commands to downgrade the node version. So one is this npm install -g space n, then execute n, what is the version required. Here we require the version 11.15.0. so once you do this, you will be able to successfully encrypt and decrypt, so with the bcrypt module. So but anyway, I am not going to do that, but you can, if you want to use the bcrypt, and then you can try this. But I am going to use other alternative for encrypting and decrypting the data. So it is called the crypto module. So we will be able to use the crypto module to do the same encryption and decryption. So for that, as a first step, you need to install this crypto module. So this is a command, npm install crypto save. So if the module is already not installed, so you can go ahead and install. I have already installed this. So the second thing is you can enable the required code. So maybe this is the code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going and changing the existing code with this code. So I'm not going to have this bcrypt module now. Instead of that, I'm going to use the crypto module. So this is my methods. Okay, now if you see here, you can see the module is enabled, the crypto module is enabled. Then there is a key, the algorithm. So this algorithm is based on the OpenSSL. So whatever the support OpenSSL supported algorithms, you will be able to use it here. So you can identify the OpenSSL supported algorithm through this command, like OpenSSL list cipher algorithm. So you can go and execute that command. So yeah, let me show you that. Yeah, so there is multiple supported algorithms. You can select what is the algorithm you want to use it. But the based on the algorithm what you are choosing, so the key length, I used here a key and IV, so the length of this should be changing it. Also you may need to do some other changes also. So the for this algorithm, whatever I am using, AES 256 CBC, the key should be 32 byte. So you can see this, like I am given some random 32 character, yeah, 32 character. Then like this IV should be 16 characters. So this I given a 16 character. If I copy this, yeah, so it's a 16 character. So if you use a different algorithm, so accordingly you can, based on the algorithm what you are selecting, so you can change the key length and the IV length. So now, like if you see here that two method, one is the encryption and another one is for decryption. So what I am doing is, first time when the user is signing off, I am encrypting the password and storing it to MongoDB. Then whenever user try to log in, so what I am doing is, like I am decrypting the password what is stored in the database and what is the password user is sending. So comparing both. So if both are same, I am considering the login is success. So for that I am creating a crypto cipher IV. So there is another method, create cipher, but that is deprecated. So you should be using this create cipher IV. Then algorithm, then like key, then IV. So then you can update the password, update it, cipher dot update the password, then the UTF-8 the encoding, then the I'm using hexadecimal encoding. You can use binary 64 and whatever you require. Then cipher dot final, it will give the encrypted value. Same way the decryption, again create decipher IV. So here also there is another method, create decipher, but is deprecated. You can use this specific method. So there is no difference here. Again, like here if you see, like I am adding this kex here, second parameter, then UTF-8 as a third parameter. Then same thing, then I am comparing the password. So now maybe let me show this demo. So let me start my server now. I should not be getting this error whatever I was seeing this. Okay, the server started successfully. Then let me go and maybe access that. Okay, already access in different browser. I will go here. Yep. Okay, let me first sign up. Maybe I'll put something like test@gmail.com. Okay, let me sign up. Yeah, sign up is success. If we go here, this is my MongoDB. I'm using the cloud MongoDB at Atlas. So okay, retrieving the, I'm checking the collection. Yeah, here if you see, I'm having a like collection with the name users. So if you go inside the users, I'm having a document now created whatever I registered. So yeah, the registration or sign up is fine. Now I will use the same email and the password to sign in. So let me enter that. Okay, yes, now I am success. So it's a login is success. If you go again to yeah, it should, like, yeah, user session is created. So it's having a document with the name. Yeah, user is not deleted. So timestamp when it's logged in, the user ID. So now like maybe let me log out and give some maybe wrong password. Yeah, it's a invalid. So it means like while I am signing up, the data is, or the password is encrypted and stored in the database. So whenever I'm trying to log in, the same password is decrypted and like compared with the password what user is sending. So if both are matching, so the user is successfully logged in and the user session is created. If not matching, so it's throwing the invalid error. Okay, thanks all for watching the video. See you in the next video.